In today's software world, one language stands out as arguably the most influential and widely used of them all: JavaScript. What started as a simple tool for adding a little bit of flair to web pages has exploded into a massive, powerful ecosystem that powers the modern digital world. It's the engine behind almost every application, platform, and online experience you encounter daily. Let's start with the web because JavaScript is truly the heart of the internet. Think about it. Every time you click a button on a website, fill out a form, see a pop-up menu, or watch content load dynamically without the page refreshing, that's JavaScript at work. It's what transforms a static, boring web page into a living, breathing, interactive application. It's the difference between reading a plain document and using a sophisticated piece of software right in your browser. And this has been taken to an entirely new level with front-end libraries and frameworks. You've probably heard of names like React, Vue, and Angular. These aren't just buzzwords. They are revolutionary tools that have completely changed how we build user interfaces. They allow developers to create incredibly fast, scalable, and complex applications that feel smooth and responsive. Think about the apps you use every day: Facebook, Netflix, Airbnb. Their interfaces are built with these JavaScript technologies, serving millions of users with a seamless experience. These frameworks enable developers to build apps out of reusable components like Lego blocks, making development faster, more organized, and easier to maintain. But JavaScript's story doesn't end in the browser. For a long time, if you wanted to build the behind-the-scenes part of an application, the server, the database connections, the core logic, you had to use a different language like Python, Java, or PHP. That all changed with the creation of Node.js. This was a game changer. Node.js allowed developers to run JavaScript on the server. Suddenly, the same language you use to build a beautiful user interface could also be used to build the entire backend. This unification is what made the concept of full-stack developments so popular and accessible. Developers could now build everything, from the button you click on the screen to the database that stores your information, using a single language, JavaScript. This simplifies the development process immensely. You can build APIs, create real-time applications like chat apps or live updating dashboards, and even manage complex cloud-native systems, all with the power of Node.js. One language, one ecosystem, and a universe of possibilities. Speaking of the ecosystem, this is one of JavaScript's biggest superpowers. Imagine needing a specific tool for a project. Maybe it's for user authentication or for logging errors or even for implementing machine learning. With JavaScript, chances are someone has already built it. The NPM registry, which stands for Node Package Manager, is the largest software registry in the world. It hosts millions of open-source packages that developers can download and integrate into their projects in seconds. This is a massive accelerator for innovation. Instead of reinventing the wheel every single time, developers can stand on the shoulders of giants, using pre-built, community-vetted libraries to build features faster and more reliably. This allows companies to move from an idea to a finished product in record time, which is a huge competitive advantage in the fast-paced tech industry. This collaborative spirit is what makes the JavaScript community so vibrant and powerful. So, how does this all come together in a real company? In a typical tech team, you'll find engineers with different JavaScript specializations working together. You have front-end developers who are experts in user experience. They use frameworks like React or Vue to build those polished, responsive interfaces that users interact with directly. Their goal is to make the application beautiful, intuitive, and enjoyable to use. Then you have backend developers. They work with Node.js to build the engine of the application. They design the APIs, manage the databases, ensure the application is secure and can handle a lot of traffic. They build the logic that makes the application actually do something useful. And of course, you have full-stack developers. These are the versatile engineers who bridge the gap between the front end and the back end. They understand the entire system from end to end and ensure that the user interface communicates smoothly with the server. This holistic understanding is incredibly valuable for building cohesive and well-architected applications. But wait, there's more. JavaScript's reach extends even further, right into your pocket. Mobile development used to be a fragmented world. If you wanted to build an app for both iPhone and Android, you often had to write two separate apps in two different languages, Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android. This was expensive and time-consuming. JavaScript changed that too. With technologies like React Native and Ionic, developers can now write a single code base in JavaScript and deploy it as a native mobile app on both iOS and Android. This is a huge deal for companies. It cuts development time and costs drastically, allowing them to ship new features to all their users at the same time. Many popular apps you use today, like Instagram, Discord, and Shopify, are built using React Native, proving that JavaScript is a first-class citizen in the mobile world. And JavaScript isn't stopping there. It's pushing into the most cutting-edge fields of technology. In the world of artificial intelligence, tools like TensorFlow.js allow you to run machine learning models directly in the browser or on a Node.js server. This opens up incredible possibilities for creating smart, interactive experiences without needing a powerful backend server for every single task. In automation, tools like Puppeteer allow developers to write scripts that control a web browser automatically. This is used for everything from automated testing of websites to web scraping and generating reports. In the realm of cloud computing, serverless platforms like AWS Lambda and Google Cloud Functions have first-class support for JavaScript. This lets developers build incredibly scalable and cost-effective applications that only run when they're needed. So why has JavaScript remained so dominant for so long? The answer is simple: it adapts. It evolves. The language itself is constantly being updated with new features, and the community is always building new tools and frameworks to solve the latest challenges in software development. It's a language that never stands still. To wrap it all up, JavaScript is so much more than just a programming language. It's a living, breathing ecosystem, a global community of passionate developers, and the fundamental driving force behind the digital products and services we rely on every single day. Whether your ambition is to build beautiful user interfaces, powerful backend systems, cross-platform mobile apps, or the next generation of AI-powered tools, JavaScript provides a gateway to endless opportunities. It's a fantastic skill to learn, and its importance in the software industry is only going to continue to grow. If you found this deep dive into the world of JavaScript interesting, please give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content about the technologies shaping our world. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.